In this question, we're asked to add and subtract fractions. In order to add and subtract fractions, we need to find the lowest common denominator. The denominator is the number on the bottom, and it needs to be the same before we can do the math. In this case, the lowest common denominator between 3 and 9 is 9. In order to make the denominator of 1/3 to 9, we need to multiply both the top and the bottom by 3. So 3 divided by 9 is the same as 1 divided by 3. Now we can subtract our 5/9. Since we have a common denominator, this is equivalent to 3 minus 5 divided by 9, the same common denominator, which equals -2/9. In the bottom example, it's slightly more complicated because the two numbers are not directly related to each other. Said another way, we can't turn 2 into 5 like we did turn 3 into 9. So in this case, the lowest common denominator between these two numbers is 10, the multiplication between 5 and 2. To make the -2/5 have a 10 as a denominator, we need to multiply the top and the bottom by 2. This is equivalent to -4 divided by 10. Plus, to make 1/2 have 10 in the denominator, we need to multiply the top and the bottom by 5, which is 5 divided by 10. 5 over 10 is equivalent to 1 over 2. We now have a common denominator. We can perform the same procedure as above. This is the same as -4 plus 5 divided by 10, which equals 1/10.